Car insurance in Australia. Car Insurance Alliance Australia. Generally, in Australia, there are three types of car insurance: CTP insurance, third party property damage insurance, and comprehensive car insurance. All motor vehicles must have CTP insurance cover. How much is car insurance in Australia? Key points: in 2019, Aussies were paying an average of $1,131 a year for their car insurance. The difference between the most expensive and the cheapest insurance plan across Australia was $1,047 on average. Things like age, gender, and where you live factor very heavily in how much you pay. What is the cheapest car insurance in Australia? Uh, Car insurance in Australia. Looking for cheap car insurance? Start here. Woolworths Comprehensive optional. Agreed or market. Stella Comprehensive. Qantas Comprehensive. Australia Post Comprehensive. What is the best car insurance in Australia? Best quality car insurance winners: GIO Platinum Car Insurance, NRMA Comprehensive Plus Car Insurance, and Comprehensive Car Insurance, RAA Comprehensive Car Insurance, RAC Comprehensive Car Insurance, RACV Complete Car Insurance, SGIC Comprehensive Plus Car Insurance, SGIO Comprehensive Plus Car Insurance. Do you really need a car insurance in Australia? In Australia, all registered cars must have compulsory third-party CTV insurance. How much is car insurance in Australia per month? The average car insurance cost per month in Australia is $82. That's for a comprehensive policy, but you don't need to pay that much. In fact, at $32, you might be able to buy comprehensive car insurance for the same price as the average third-party car insurance policy. How much should you be paying for car insurance? Is Volvo's car insurance any good? How can I get super cheap car insurance? 3 asked about discounts. Number 1, bundle car insurance with other policies such as home owners insurance. Insure multiple cars with one policy. Have a clean driving record. Pay the entire annual or 6-month premium at once. Agree or receive documents online. Own a car with certain anti-theft or safety features. Who is the best and cheapest car insurance? There are a few companies: USAA, Farm Bureau Insurance, ARI, Auto Owners Insurance, CO. What was the worst car insurance companies? The following list companies, 11 worst insurance companies in America. These are, but I will just discuss it. State Farm, Anthem, Farmers, United Health, Global Life, Liberty Mutual, USAA, Progressive. Okay, we'll go to Alliance Insurance. Codes for car, home, travel, and life. Alliance Insurance covers the things that matters most to you: car, home, and contents, travel, life, business. Get a fast quote and save online. We'll repeat that again. Alliance Insurance covers the things that matters most to you: car, home, contents, travel, life, business. Car, home, contents, travel, life, business, and get a fast quote and save online. Compare car insurance. Compare the market. Comprehensive car insurance pays for repair, replacement costs for your vehicle and others. Regardless of who is at fault, it also can cover damage caused by. So basically, we should discuss what is car insurance. Car insurance protects you against financial loss for damages resulting from car accidents, theft, weather events, and other unforeseen costs according to your policy type. A car insurance policy helps pay for the cost of damage to cars, property, and even people. Car insurance protects you against financial loss for damages resulting from car accident, theft, weather events, and other unforeseen costs. According to your policy type, a car insurance policy helps pay for the cost of damage to cars, property, and even peoples. And this is the last point we're gonna discuss. What does car insurance cover? It can cover you if you cause personal injury or in an accident, or if you damage property or another vehicle. If you opt for a higher level of coverage, you may also be covered for the repair or replacement cost of your vehicle as a result of collisions, fire, theft, and weather event. Most policies will vary in coverage and price, which is why it is important to review your options carefully. How much is car insurance? How do I find great value car insurance? There are 3, 4, 5 main topics, and then we will end up this video. You can potentially save or premiums by number one, paying for your premiums annually as opposed to monthly or quarterly. Increasing your basic access. If you increase your access, you can typically reduce the most of your premiums. However, be aware that if you need to claim, you will be paying a greater amount in excess. Number two, we should repeat that again, okay? If you increase your access, you can typically reduce the cost of your premiums. However, be aware that if you need to claim, you will be paying a greater amount in excess. If you increase your access, you can typically reduce. If you increase your access, you can typically reduce the cost of your premiums. However, be aware that if you need to claim, you'll be paying a greater amount in excess. Place age exclusions. This means you can limit drivers to a certain age. For example, driver under 25 or 30. In theory, older drivers are generally most experienced and therefore less risky to insure. Drive less. In, some insurers will reduce your premium if you are a low kilometer driver, typically under 15,000 kilometers each year. Compare often. You might have been on a great value deal a few years ago, but have you reviewed your options lately? Perhaps something cheaper has come along that offers the same benefits, but you don't know unless you shop around. You might have been on a great value deal a few years ago, but have you reviewed your options lately? Perhaps something cheaper has come along that offers. You might have been on a great value deal a few years ago, but have you reviewed your options lately? Perhaps something cheaper has come along that offers the same benefits, but you don't know unless you shop around. Always disclose as much information to your insurer as possible. If you decide to hide your claim history, you cover more, like, let me read it again. For example, you cover and like, it's loading, baby. It's loading. It's still loading the page. And it's compare now option is just open there, and I think we should have to go back and in the last week just gonna end up the video and how to compare car insurance costs. Okay, this is the last one. I'm gonna read it in a very fast one. Okay. CanStar enables consumers to compare providers and narrow their search for policies before seeking car insurance quotes, as premiums are based on your personal circumstances and the insurance policies. You can generally obtain a more accurate car insurance quote by visiting the provider's website. With dozens of providers offering a range of products, it is often a good idea to have a clear understanding of the cover you require before you seek car insurance quotes. This can help you save time by narrowing your search and ensuring you only receive quotes for products that may be more suited to your needs. Keep in mind that there are a number of factors to consider when selecting a policy, and that the one that quotes the cheapest premium may not necessarily offer the best value for your circumstances. Aside from the quoted premium, you may also want to consider factors such as what is included and not included in the cover, how much access is, and how the quality of customer service. Thank you so much for watching the video and stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.